Some cars look like a great deal used, but can destroy your wallet within months. We're talking about engines that fail early, transmissions that cost thousands, and repair bills bigger than the car itself. Today, we're exposing 5 cars you should never buy used. And the number 1 car on this list? Even mechanics warn people to stay away. Let's start with number 5. Number 5, Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima might look like a smart used car choice. Affordable, comfortable, and easy to find. But many older Altimas come with a serious problem: the CVT transmission. Instead of traditional gears, it uses a continuously variable transmission that has been known to fail far earlier than expected. Some owners report issues before 100,000 miles. And replacing it? That repair alone can cost $3,000 to $5,000. Suddenly, that cheap used car isn't so cheap anymore. Number 4. BMW 7 Series. Luxury cars lose value quickly, which is why a used BMW 7 Series can seem like an amazing deal. But here's the catch. Once the warranty is gone, repairs become incredibly expensive. Complex electronics, air suspension failures, high-cost engine components. Even basic maintenance can cost 2 or 3 times more than a normal sedan. Buying one used may feel like owning a luxury car, but maintaining it can feel like paying luxury taxes every month. Number 3. Jeep Cherokee, 2014 to 2019. The Jeep Cherokee looks tough, but certain model years have a reputation for serious problems, especially with the 9-speed automatic transmission. Owners reported rough shifting, hesitation, and sudden jerks while driving. Some vehicles required multiple software updates or transmission replacements. When buying used, those issues can quickly become your problem, and transmission repairs are never cheap. Number 2. Ford Focus, 2012 to 2016. The Ford Focus should have been a great compact car, but these model years were plagued with a major flaw: the power-shift dual-clutch transmission. Drivers reported shuddering slipping gears delayed acceleration. Some cars experienced these problems before even reaching 50,000 miles. There were lawsuits, recalls, and extended warranties, but many used models still carry the risk today, and replacing the transmission can cost thousands. Number 1. Range Rover Luxury. Power, off-road capability. Range Rovers look incredible, but when it comes to long-term reliability, they often rank near the bottom. Common issues include air suspension failures, electrical problems, engine cooling issues, and repairs can be brutally expensive. Some owners report spending thousands per year just to keep the vehicle running. Buying one used may feel like a dream, but for many owners, it becomes a financial nightmare. Final truth. Here's the reality. No car is perfect, and even the worst models can last if properly maintained. But when buying used, reliability history matters, because the wrong car can turn a great deal into a constant repair bill. Engagement boost. Now I'm curious, which car on this list surprised you the most? And what's the worst used car experience you've ever had? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to avoid expensive car mistakes, subscribe, because next, we're revealing 5 used cars that can easily reach 300,000 miles. I'll see you in the next one.